Welcome to part two. Now I'm going to show off when two equally balanced volume instruments interfere with each other, because it might be a little bit easier for you to hear the waves. So I'm going to use this app, and then I'm going to roll over to GarageBand. Hit the same note on here. Going up. Clear. Going low. When it's so out of tune that you can't even hear it anymore, the waves, because it's going so fast, that means you're egregiously out of tune and really have to stop and readjust your instrument or your face. So that's what happens when you're out of tune. Imagine that times 50. How many waves you'd hear, how much white noise there would be. Creates a really unpleasing effect, which is how we get the phenomenon of being out of tune.